Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is another episode in our Real Car Coding Job series where we work on real vehicles with real issues inside the workshop. Today's vehicle is a Mercedes-Benz W223 S-Class. We replaced a headlamp module with the same part number, but after installation, the vehicle showed coding errors. In this video, we'll walk through the complete process of resolving this issue step by step. Although the replacement headlamp module has the same part number, it is not plug and play. Each module stores vehicle-specific coding and configuration data. If the coding does not match the vehicle's equipment and system architecture, the car will trigger errors. In this case, we will transfer coding data from the working module and properly reinitialize the system. Before starting this job, make sure you prepare the following: Mercedes Diagnostic and coding software, Zentry and DTS Monaco, OBD communication interface, such as C4, C6, Tabscan T6 Zentry, or Tabscan T6 Pro Max, or any device you are currently using, as long as it is fully compatible with the software. Stable power supply for the vehicle. For those who want to go deeper, our Mercedes technical documentation provides detailed guidance on software usage and real workshop technical procedures. It explains system structure, coding workflow, diagnostic logic, and practical support cases. Once everything is ready, we can now begin the coding procedure step by step. This video is performed by a professional technician. Do not attempt without proper knowledge and equipment. Connect left headlamp module, connect right headlamp module, save coding data from right module, reconnect left module, load coding data into left module. Diagnose section, soft reset, fault code check, setup certificate. Next, we proceed with certificate setup for newer Mercedes. Connect module and soft reset. Read fault codes. This is a real workshop case involving headlamp module replacement on a Mercedes W223. In upcoming episodes of Real Car Coding Jobs, we will continue to share real diagnostic and coding cases from our workshop. If you work with Mercedes diagnostics, coding, or module replacement, make sure to follow our channel. See you in next video.